Hi guys, welcome to NiCE Technical Mission YouTube channel, and today topic is NiCE TV's top 10 bold conversations reimagining the future of service. So start my video. At Interactions 2025, NiCE TV's studio brought together the brightest minds in service to capture bold ideas and fresh perspectives on the hottest trends in customer experience and innovation. From the main stage to behind the scenes interviews, leaders, analysts, and innovators shared the strategies defining what's next in CX. One message can thought loud and clear: the future doesn't belong to companies that automate for efficiency alone. It belongs to those who use AI to amplify people and elevates service into something exceptional. From CEO Scott Rizzle sharing how we are creating a nice world to real stories from customers, transforming service across thousands of agents. Here are 10 moments from NiCE TVs that reveal here how great service becomes your sharpest edge. Some nice name, bigger ambition, creating a nice world. Interactions 2025 marked the debut of our NiCE brand. It's more than a visual identity, it's our blueprint for the future. It reflects a sharpened strategy, a unified vision, and a commitment to creating a nice world where AI, people, and purpose come together. We want to create an environment where every interaction, every experience feels human, said CEO Scott Russell. It's an ambitious goal, but we'll get there. Check out our new look on nice.com. Or Mohibuddin, research director at IDC, spent time interactions international beharing from NiCE customers such as a financial services company that was able to scale from 3,000 to 22,000 agents in 1 year. For her, this real world stories of impact bring the vision of a nice world to life. I think at the end of the day, it's not really technology, right? It's the energy, it's the people, and I think that's the message that come across very clearly. You are not talking technology, you are talking about human experience, said Muhibuddin. When people sit there, they don't want to understand what sort of coding is required, what sort of platform is needed. What they want to know is what does this mean for me, and what will it do to my business, and how can I succeed. The fundamental success physics of business, creating a safe time and money world. What began as a first futuristic concept is now an executive mandate. AI is firmly on the agenda of the highest levels of business leadership who recognize its potential to platform industries and redefine a competitive advantage. But turning that ambition into reality requires more than vision. It demands operational clarity and execution. Dan Belanger, president of NiCE Americas, emphasized that behind every AI breakthrough are foundational business principles such as affordability, governance, and change management. It's a CEO board level mandate. ChatGPT captured the imagination of what's possible like the early uh, days of the internet. AI is a horizontal enabler to reshape every industry. Belanger said the fundamental physics of business still apply. You still have to afford it, govern it, implement it, build once, deploy everywhere, creating an optimized world. AI is no longer just for developers. Non-technical users can now build, refine, and optimize goal-based AI agents without coding. At Interactions 2025, NiCE unveiled 6 on Empower agents, customizable AI-powered assistants that are easy to create and deploy, all from a single intuitive platform. As NiCE CX Division President Barry Cooper explained in an interview with CX Today, Empower agents transform workflows by combining indigenous intelligence with organizational wisdom. This allows employees to shift their focus away from repetitive tasks while ensuring every automated interactions reflect brand values and supports business goals. What you are actually doing is giving it a job description. You say to empower agents. Your job is to identify customers that can be upgraded. Reach out to those customers using a channel that's good for them. If you get approval from them to upgrade their account, then go and upgrade their account, said Copper. You build this empower agents once and you can deploy them across the entire 6 on empower platform, said Carmet AI and Rina. NiCE director of AI data management is business users can write a prompt in conversational English and the power build empower builder will build an entire conversational flow with interactions, integration and decision points built in. AI is only as good as its data, creating an intelligent world. The light bulb moment for many readers realizing that competitive advantage lies in how well your AI comprehends and coordinates data in real time. AI is really about data. Belanger said the value of what AI will deliver is based on how well organized the data state is. For a deeper look into how data-driven intelligence empowers transformation across industries, and check out NiCE, the State of CX report, a comprehensive analysis of customer experience trends from billions of real-world interactions. Partnerships that power service at scale, creating an amplified world. The era of isolated solutions is crumbling as we enter the age of connected intelligence. Customers are looking towards partnerships as a way to enhance the platform enhance experience, and NiCE is now partnering with the ServiceNow, AWS, and Snowflake. The power of our innovation and AI combined with what partners are building together, it creates huge and increase breaks barriers, fights disruption, moves away from siloed solutions, and gives a cohesive and end-to-end outcome for our customers, said NiCE CEO Scott Russell. This partnership between NiCE and AWS combines technical integration and innovation along with go-to-market collaboration, said Jonathan Sabatini. Global technology partnerships for Amazon Web Services AWS at its core, it combines the best of NiCE deep CX experience and data insights along with AWS technical infrastructure and generative AI applications. 6 on Empower is now available in AWS Marketplace. This will allow customers to move faster than ever in bringing this into their unified AWS environment. When you combine the technical integration along with the availability in AWS Marketplace, customers can deploy at scale in a record time. Sabatini said AWS joined industry leaders at Interactions International as well, sharing their perspective on the future of proactive customer experiences powered by AI. What's really existing is the ability of agentic AI to have a, precognitive ability to understand a customer issue before it actually happens, to delight customers in advance of requires, creating better customers outcomes and much faster time to value, said Jerry Pang, ISV workload migration program lead EMEA at AWS. Know more, do more, create a knowledgeable world. Think of AI powered knowledge as a learning lab where meaningful outcomes depend on having the right mix of data, people, and experimentation. It's not just about having the tools, it's about knowing how to use them, testing what works, and building understanding over time. Max Ball, principal analyst at Forrester, sees the secret to creating an understanding world thought continuous learning. Get started chess ROI, get folks who understand it, get it in the lab, get it so you know what it is and what it does and why, because then you are going to be able to do more than just what people are telling to do. Meet customers where they are before they even ask, creating a helpful world. CX expert Julie Ask advisory talks about meeting customers where they are with AI. Don't oppose, think first about your users and what you are comfortable doing, what kind of interface and experience they want to have with you. This represents a technological evolution toward human empathy, the foundation of creating a helpful world where technology serves humanity deepest needs. There's so much FOMO and mandates coming from the tab words or Gen AI strategy ask observes, but we need to do smart things with the technology. It's about moving from what can this technology do to do what do people need. Innovation means moving faster, smarter, creating a seamless world. With AI transforming CS from isolated solutions to seamless automated workflows, the real differentiator now lies in how quickly businesses can innovate and respond to changing customer needs. The biggest thing right now that companies need to and are focusing on is speed of adaptation and innovation and agility, said Umar Menkara, VP and Principal Analyst of Aberdeen Strategy and Research. What we are seeing now is the ability to quickly adopt based on what changes are occurring in business customer needs. AI for every industry creating a dynamic world. Even in industries historically slow to adopt new technologies, the benefits outweigh the cost when it comes to improving the customer experience. We are definitely at a point in time where we recognize that technology is there to help us improve with the customer experiences, says Alicia Hasman, Customer Care Strategy Manager at Westfield Group, making it easy for our customers. It's really very important, and the tools that NiCE brings to the market are those tools that can help us do that. Cathay Pacific's Lingio Dances Oman was a featured speaker at Interactions International, where he shared best service practices from the airline. The key takeaways is that there is no one size fits all channel strategy. It needs to be a lot more announced that you are designing the channel strategy. It needs to cater to various segments of customers, offers them a channel of their choice. He said at the same time, I'd like to reiterate that human connection is going to create the edge for your business brand. It's not just good to have it, makes a complete business sense to focus on the human connection. Reimagining CX, creating a future ready world. Industry analyst Sheila MCG Smith of MCG Smith Analytics interviewed NiCE CEO Scott Russell after his interactions in 2025 keynote about the barriers to AI adoption, the importance of partner ecosystems, and why change management is what separates success from the disruption. We are compatible, we are not overlapping, we are got create great conflict capabilities, and yes, there's a small part of the portfolio that might overlap. We back ourselves in to be the best platform to deliver the NiCE world vision. Result said of NiCE partnerships with AWS ServiceNow and Snowflake. Automate with a purpose, connect without boundaries, creating a nice world in action. Every interaction is an opportunity to build a deeper connection by automating with intention. Organizations can liberate teams from repetitive tasks, improving them to focus on what matters most, delivering personalized human experiences that drive real results. Seamless connections across channels and platforms ensure no moments in missed and no customers is left behind. This is automation that service us purpose grounded in understanding and driven by insights. Even in industry historically slows and that's armor, and this is not fierce. The time understanding building and works were testing them to use how knowing about its tools that the having about just not its experimentation and people data of mix right, having the on depend outcomes meaningful where lab learning us technology powered AI in things. AWS lead program migration workload ISV Pang Jerry said value to time faster much and outcomes customer better creating queries of advance in customers like delight to happens actually it before the issue customer understand to ability precognitive have to AI agentic of ability is existing to abilities. That the other hand of abilities. Our vision is a world of seamless conversation powered by AI that amplifies human capabilities, creating insights that drive real world impact. At NiCE, we are building a connected world where every touchpoint access of all expectations. See you on next video. Take care. Bye.